Need to remove Trend Micro with protection but not sure how? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the full uninstall process, step by step, the easy way using regedit. Let's dive right in. In this step, we'll open an elevated command prompt. That means running command prompt with administrator rights, so we can restart the computer into the advanced startup menu. First, click the Start button and type CMD in the search bar. When you see command prompt in the results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This gives you the necessary permissions to run system-level commands. Now, in the command prompt window, type this command, shutdown, ROT1, and then press Enter. After you press Enter, your PC will restart automatically and take you to the Choose an Option screen, where we'll move on to the next step, accessing advanced options. Once your computer restarts, you'll see the Choose an Option screen. From here, click Troubleshoot. This will take you to the advanced recovery tools in Windows. Next, choose Advanced Options, then select Startup Settings. This menu lets you control how Windows starts up. After selecting Startup Settings, click Restart. Your computer will restart again and then display a list of startup modes. When that list appears, press the number 4 on your keyboard to enable safe mode. Next step, locate the Trend Micro Registry key. Search Registry Editor in the Start menu. In Registry Editor, expand the folder HKEY_local_machine. Then locate and open Software folder. Then open WOW 6432 node folder. Then open TrendMicro folder. Then open PC Silon T Corp folder. Then open Current Version folder. And lastly, open the MISC folder. In the right pane of MISC folder, find a value named something like Allow Uninstall or Allow Uninstall. If it exists, double-click it and set value data to 1 and click OK. Close Registry Editor. For the final step, reboot your PC and uninstall TrendMicro app. Go to Control Panel, then Programs and Features, locate TrendMicro and uninstall it. And reboot your computer once again.
If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more tech hacks that make your life easier. Stay savvy.